Here's another one that I printed today. This is not plate 5, it's actually plate 4. I did some modifications. Down here you can see my type of paper, my ferric oxalate, palladium, platinum, tween, and the exposure time, the plate number, and the date. These are just really, wow. I'm not really doing it justice here, but if you could see this in real life, still in the wash pan. I was just wanted to get it out here and videotape a little bit of it. If you could see this in real life, I think you would be impressed. And I'll probably have shown you, or in this post, you can see what I'm doing, my approach to this photographically speaking, of what I'm doing with the borders and how I'm handling all this. Here again, 12, 12, 2 and 3, 6 minutes, 20 seconds. And those are the two prints that I made today. Extremely happy with them. Just wanted to share that with you.